G'day, welcome to the 40 channel. So we're doing a quick tip video today. On the interior door handle. So quite often they come loose and rattle around because the little plastic that it screws into wears out and stretches, and once that's happened, you either need to find new plastic plugs or do this. Now ours is aftermarket, but it's exactly the same situation for any interior door handle. Check it out. So you can see here, it's very loose and rattly. To pull that, that's about to snap off and not be very much fun. Now if it was a genuine 40 series one, you have that loop one, same deal, unscrew the two screws and then we'll get to the interior and see what's going on. Okay, you can see there. Now the problem is we can't just tighten these screws back up again because this plastic inside's already stretched and it'll just happen again. So let's take the door handle off and I'll show you the fix. Now undoing this, you can feel it's very, very loose. And no matter how tight you go, you're only going to stretch that plastic. Try to tighten it up in these little tiny plastic grommets, the plastic's already gone. So what we're going to do is just grab a cable tie, cut a lead onto the end of the cable tie like so, push that cable tie in as far as you can into that hole, snip it off, do the same thing again. Now we've filled that hole with extra plastic, so when the screws in, it'll screw out, lock into place, so you have a nice firm door handle. Already I can feel it is really firm going in, which is exactly what we want. Now I can tighten that up and it's nice and firm. It's not going to keep spinning. Righto, nice and firm, rock solid. We can grab that, passenger can pull it closed, and we're not going to worry about this door handle pulling off anymore. Righto, it's that simple. Now you can grab that door handle, it's not going to move, it's nice and solid. That little plastic grommet that are hard to come by, or you're going to have to wait for it, can be easily fixed just with a simple cable tie. Done. Now, the passenger doesn't have to worry about closing the door from the inside and ending up with a handle in their hand. A bit like what happened to Charlie May when we were building this thing.
No. Oh no. How do I tell my dad? Oh my gosh.
Anyway guys, that was a quick tip for today. Hope it helped you guys out. Until next time, take care of yourselves.